What's going on, y'all, boy? This gun look like it's poking in and making me the yo.
5,500 boss niggas getting money. 5,500 boss niggas getting money.
What's good, Get Money team? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Hit the subscribe button. Join the Get Money team. Join the Discord in the bio. Join the Discord in the description. Yeah. Today, my boys, y'all see we are not in the room. We are outside in the streets of America. We just outside. I just want to change the scenery for a video one time because I know we wouldn't be looking at charts today, nothing like that. And I know it's questions that anybody that's just getting into this will have, regardless. Just address all the questions I feel like people may have and questions that people have asked me already. So it's kind of like a Q&A, and then it's also just a video like what you need to get started. Some of the stuff that you need to get started, I ain't do no video on. I just started with the basics of reading a chart because that's what you need to start trading. But if you don't know it, like anything at all, I ain't do no videos, and I don't want to either. Like for everything that I'm talking about, if there's video support on it, I'm gonna put it in the description as well, because some of that stuff it's gonna take a minute to go through all of it, and I like all my videos to be 10 minutes or less because I know I can't sit down and watch a video for longer than that. But that's besides the point. So today's video, we're just going over some things you need to get started and some questions that people had asked me and everything like that. But we'll start with just the overall question of how to start trading. You wake up today, you like, I want to start trading today. What do you do? Step one. Nah, I'm not gonna put it right there. Step one, choose a market, right? You could trade crypto, you could trade Forex or foreign exchange, trade stocks, trade futures. Personally, I trade futures. So, most of the stuff that I'm talking about on my channel, it pertains to that. Well, actually not really, because regardless of what you trade, learning to read a chart is universal. Like the same movements I talk about or the same setups that I talk about and the same strategies that I use, they can be used trading anything. They can be used trading Forex, trading crypto, all of that. Everything other than that is what's different when you get into everything, right? After step one, after you pick what market you getting into, after you pick what market you're gonna hop into, then you learn the ins and outs of it. Another reason why I say futures is the easiest because it's not really that much to learn. What I just said just now, you can trade the S&P 500 or NASDAQ. Really, the only other thing to know when getting into trading futures is your contract size. I'll have a link in the description that further explains, the contract size and why that's important, everything like that. But the main reason why it's important is because all trading is risk management. You know for a fact you're not going to win every day, but you also know for a fact that you're not going to lose every day. Even if you're the worst trader in the world, you're going to have to try real hard to lose every single day. Why the name of the game is risk management is because you want your losses to be significantly lower than your wins. You want to be able to take a couple losing days and get it back in one winning day, But regardless, you don't ever want your wins and your losses to be equal. That's where it starts getting bad at. But that was step two. Step one is choosing your market. Step two is learning everything about it. Step three is getting in that field, downloading TradingView, the best chart. It's semi simple to use too. Like you just gotta learn the ins. There's gonna be a link in the description again on somebody going over how to download and how to use TradingView, all the ins and outs of TradingView and all of that. I personally just don't want to go over all of that. Step four would be research and finding your strategy. If y'all follow along with my videos, that's step four. Follow along with my videos. If you learn the futures, if you learn something else, then you have to go to somebody else to learn that. But if you learn the futures, just follow my videos. I try to make my videos as simple as possible, the right amount of information in the least amount of time possible as far as sitting down watching my videos. And it's what I do every day. It's how I trade. So I'm not capping. That's what I do every day. So step four would just be learning the strategy. It would be sticking to it. Sticking to the strategy and back testing the strategy. I have a template of a spreadsheet that y'all can use to back test the strategy, but I'm not gonna put it in this video. After I get through really completely breaking down every step in these basic videos that I upload, at the end of it, then I'm gonna put the spreadsheet and how to back test the strategy with the spreadsheet. But for right now, I'm not doing all that. Also, if you're at a different stage in your trading journey, this video is not for you at all. Y'all can go find this information on your own. Obviously, do your own research too. I'm not saying don't do your own research. Obviously, go do your own research. But I'm teaching my strategy. I got y'all. I promise, I got y'all. And I think the last question I gotta answer is how to become profitable. We know we know our wins got to be more than our losses, so that we allow ourselves a loss, and it won't really hurt us too bad. Because if we got to win, it's gonna outdo that. But how we really stay profitable, bro, is like I said before, back testing and making sure that you're doing it right before you even get into the markets and start wasting any real money. You need to back test like 100 times to make sure what you're doing is right and make sure that you're doing it right. The next way we make sure that we stay profitable is, bro, every single trade needs to take profit and the stop loss. Point blank, period. I'm gonna have another video in the description on set and take profit and stop loss too. Yeah, bro, those is really it when it comes to how to get started in this. Choose your market, learn the ins and outs of whatever market you're trying to trade. Download Trading View. Get familiar with the chart. Start doing research, learn a strategy, back test your strategy, stay consistent with one strategy, and set a take profit and stop loss for every single trade. That's it. That's the blueprint right there. That'll have you right 100% of the time. You're not gonna win 100% of the time, but you're doing the right thing 100% of the time, and that's what it's about, really. So yeah, man. That was all for today's video, man. The next video we're gonna be back on the charts. Appreciate y'all for watching this. Join the Discord. Link is also in the description. So I'm saying, join the Get Money team. Let's get money.